Greetings everyone and welcome back. This is Marco and today we're taking a look at the Pentax-A 28-80. This is the second copy of this lens that I find in a box or bundle of mixed stuff, and both of them had some mechanical issues. The first one was straight up broken, and this one is a bit stiff at the two ends of the zoom range. Plus, for some reason, it is very soft wide open. But we will talk about image quality later on. For now, let's take a closer look. The lens is made out of metal and plastic. It weighs 420 grams. It is 81 to 98 millimeters long, and it has an external diameter of 69 millimeters with a 58 millimeters front thread. When focusing, the front element turns as well. The iris has 8 plates, the aperture is clicked and it goes from f3.5 at 28mm or f4.5 at 80mm to f22 plus auto. The focusing ring is rubberized, it turns 110 degrees and minimum focusing distance is 1 meter. Turning the zoom ring past 80mm engages the macro mode, allowing to focus up to 40 centimeters. Pentax-A mount has a flange distance of 45.46 millimeters. As I said, wide open images are really soft, more in the center than in the corners, so I think might just be an issue with my copy. Stopping down just one click to f4.5, it gets sharper, and by f8 it is even better. Chromatic aberration is present even up to f8, but it is not too distracting. Colors are pleasant and warm with good contrast and saturation. Specular highlights fall in the bubble bokeh category with bright hard edges and onion rings. The lens is very prone to ghosting and shows some flares as well. .28 to 80mm is a very usable focal range, both wider and tighter than the more common 35 to 70mm, especially with that close focusing option. I don't really have much to say about this lens, partially because I feel I wasn't able to fully test it out because of the issues it has, and partially because honestly it is kind of forgettable. If you own or if you have ever used one, please let me know in the comments, share your experiences, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!